4, 3, 2, 1. Mission liftoff. Go SpaceX, go Falcon, go CRS.
And liftoff. NASA's SpaceX 31st commercial resupply mission is on its way to the International Space Station, carrying science, supplies, and the spirit of exploration.
So hello, I'm Dr. Ghada Alsaleh. I'm a principal investigator and the leader of the Space Innovation Lab at Oxford University. I'm interested on aging and understand the process of aging to study and to treat age-related disease. So this is a very new project where we work between, actually the frontier between the space and biology. And the aim of the project is to study the process of aging under microgravity, where we send a human sample. We call them organoid. They are very small cells, mimic the organoid. These samples will be sent to the International Space Station, and some of these samples will be stay in Earth, and we will be able, by comparing and analyzing the data coming from these two different organoids in the International Space Station and also on Earth, to be able to study the process of aging and the impact of the microgravity and the space in general on the aging process. So our control system is attached directly to a platform inside the International Space Station. And our sample are put there, actually are present there in the moment. Of course, you would have to put them in a very specific box. The box have a small computer and all the detection material that we need to get the measurements we wanted. And we can actually control that and see all the data coming all the time. We don't need the involvement of the astronaut, so then we save their time and we save also their training. We would be able to change the media. We could be able to measure few things without interacting anyone. It's all automatically from our laboratory in Earth.
Now out of the Soyuz vehicle.
Astronauts suffer from muscle atrophy, a problem with their joint, with their bone, and also with the immune system. When we noticed this, we found that this actually at some point similar to a different age-related disease. And this led us to ask the question if the space might provide us with an accelerating aging model. And if it is the case, that means we can actually be able to study aging very faster, because this has happened in very short time, while aging on Earth needed different years.
And Alpha Houston, just to let you know, the team here at MCC is cheering for you, Sonny. Good luck. We estimate you've completed your marathon right now, but we figure you'll run just a little longer.
my interest most likely really the people who live in Earth, for the majority, because we know that we have more elder population and most of them suffer from these different age-related disease. So I really focus to help people on Earth, but at the same time, would definitely help the astronaut not to age faster and maybe to treat all this disorder that they have during their mission in the International Space Station. Specifically, as you mentioned, now we're gonna think later on to go to Mars and Moon and investigate the space more.
Experiment containers, all of the science remain.
6, the blue things.
Yeah.
And here they are all, there's 3 here.